Hi everyone, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at Chucky's Airbnb. It's relaxing and amazing, and now we are going to get in the car with Chucky and we're gonna go meet up with Jason. And he cooked a lot of food, so he sent me some videos of a big pot of rice and peas, and he probably cooked some other stuff too. So yeah, we're gonna go see that. It's about like an hour-and-a-half drive. We're gonna go drive to Port Maria to meet up with Jason with Chucky, and I will see you guys from the car.
Yes.
Okay.
But now we're leaving Freelance Chucky place, you know, and heading on to Jason in Port Maria to check out Jason.
Yes.
That's a great thing, you know, doing some cooking for the people over there. So I'm gonna go over there and hang out with Jason, smoke some giant, drink some beer, and eat some food, and have a good time together today. Yes.
And have you been there?
No.
Okay.
So this is my first time. I'm excited to see it.
Yes. Yeah, me too. Very excited to go see Jason. And hopefully there's some food left because, I don't know, there were some people there. But he said there'll be a lot of food left. So we're going to eat some. And yeah, we'll be there in a little bit. Do you ever take taxi?
I take taxi several times.
Okay.
Most of the time I go into Port Antonio.
So,
you take taxi to Kingston. I just don't care, you know, because you have to just do what you have to do.
Yeah.
And you cannot tell this guy how to drive. You know?
Yeah, that's true.
Because normally, most of these guys who drive in taxi, they're not the owner. Who just have a money, just buy a car and give a guy to drive.
Yeah.
And give him, say, must bring $3,000 a day.
Oh.
So that's why he drives so fast, because he wants to make the $3,000 for the owner of the car.
Yeah.
The rest belongs to him, you know?
So then maybe like once he gets enough money, he can buy his own one, his own taxi.
It all depends.
Yeah.
Some guys they don't want to buy their own car, they just love to drive the people.
Yeah, because then if it breaks down, they don't have to pay for it and those kind of things.
Yes, that's true. So they do the easier way for someone, you know.
Okay, but you don't want to do that?
No.
No.
And I would never invest money in a motor car, people to drive. No, it makes no sense, you know.
Yeah.
Because they're going to take the car and pay a crazy thing. And then they just bring it back to you. They don't want to bring back the car in the evening. If they cannot keep it.
Oh, you think?
Yes.
Park it up at their house maybe?
Yes, that's
okay.
how they want it, you know. Most guys, they just own the car, but
or maybe they can say they took it to the mechanic, but then you keep it for like a week and just drive around.
no, they just continue to keep it. Continue to keep the car.
Oh, okay.
And bring the money to the owner.
Yeah, every day?
Every day, you're supposed to give $3,000. But maybe sometimes you can keep it until weekend.
Yeah.
Just bring all the money one time. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. And Sunday belongs to the driver. You don't have to give no money.
Oh, that's nice.
Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Pay the owner. And Sunday is your own. So any money you make belongs to you.
The owners don't like to drive it themselves. They rather like have other people.
No, most of these people, they have their own private car. You know, but they just have a car to give somebody to make a side money.
Okay.
So people who work 9 to 5, maybe a bank, working in a bank or some job, they have 2 cars.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. So they use one for making money on the side.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, I know.
If I have 2 cars, maybe I'll do that.
I don't know where we are going. But we have stop, but we have more time. But they got to turn and come back. Where are so far?
Tomorrow, we are going tonight. Come back tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow.
Okay, maybe we'll buy some food from you tomorrow. Tomorrow we buy some food from you. Okay.
Alright, yeah? Yeah, we are going down the road.
Nice to see you.
Here? Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait.
We are waiting for the road are going in, man. Bless, yeah? Yeah, trust. Yeah. Alright, man. No, we're cool today. Alright. Good?
Okay. Bye.
Drive this way. I can drive Kingston way and you make remote.
Oh, okay. It's on the way to Kingston?
But now this is the way to Kingston. And Ochirias and Nickel and all these places.
Yeah.
This way.
I'm excited to see that side because I don't think I've ever been there. Yeah. That's further, right?
Yes.
That's all the way at the
Yes.
Okay.
Past Montego Bay and go right down. You know?
Yeah.
That's American in Negril. You know?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a touristy place.
Definitely.
Yeah.
American own a lot of hotel here. You know?
Oh, okay.
So when you go to Negril, it's like in America.
Yeah, like a mini America over here. Where'd you go in Germany?
Hanover.
Okay.
From in the 90s, you know.
Oh.
Yes, very long time ago, you know.
Yeah.
My brethren sent me a ticket, but you don't need Schengen visa. like now.
Yeah.
You just write an invitation letter, let you in, you know.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, but in Germany during that time, I don't know if it changed now. Every time I walk on the street, this police pull you over, stress you, want to know what you are doing in Germany. Passport, if you don't show them your passport, you have to tell them the name and then they control you on the car, take their phone and then maybe they call the immigration center.
Oh my god.
To find if you're legal in the country or
Yeah.
if you're not legal, no, they're going to take you to jail and bring you to the immigration center then. And I never really like it so much, you know,
Okay.
because language barrier is terrible in
Yeah.
Germany.
Yeah.
So that's why I prefer the United States than this place.
Okay.
When I say like it, I don't like it to live now.
Yeah.
Communicate with the people
Yeah.
more easier. Don't feel like say somebody talking bad about you and you don't know what. It make you feel uncomfortable. I didn't like it for that purpose. Let's say I must stay 3 months and I stay 1 month and change my flight and come back.
Okay. Same thing with the US. You change your flight.
It was a long time because during that time it's Dymant they use, not Euro.
Oh.
Right? Yes,
Okay.
it was Dymant in that time. So you know it was a very long time. Yes.
You went and stayed with your friend that invited you, or
Yes, I stayed
okay.
with my friend.
Okay.
And then I tell my to go back home.
Yeah.
I don't like it here.
Yeah.
I leave it and gone to work. And then me get stupid now, I don't know what to do, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, it's too hard.
Because that time in Jamaica we walk on the road and somebody don't want to talk to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I say in the US,
Mhm.
I could go on the street and get you know.
Yeah.
But I don't like the US neither, you know. No, I prefer it here.
Yeah, I like
I'm
it.
gonna be staying here.
Stay here forever. Yeah, that's
That's
nice.
why I'm not going to Germany, you know. Put it out, I'm not going to Germany. So the people want to see me,
Mhm.
come to Jamaica and see me here because I make a video with Simon.
Simon.
Thinking about to go to Germany.
Oh yeah, he said you're not gonna go. Oh,
Yes,
good.
but I'm not gonna go. It makes no sense, you know. Corona now, no sense.
Okay.
I'm here to represent my business. Why should I go to Germany? No.
Oh, so now you don't need someone to watch your place, like you said in the video, and you need someone for 3 months.
Yes, I've been thinking about that, you know, but no, I changed my mind.
Okay.
It makes no sense.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay here.
Yeah, that's better. Then you see your guests when they come here, they find you.
Much better.
Much better, yeah.
But Simon really want me to come to Germany.
Yeah.
Yes, because I do a lot of video, TV video.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
In German TV.
Oh really?
Yes.
And it's coming later, or?
No, it's out long
Oh
time
really?
now in
Okay.
Germany, but you have in Germany.
Oh.
Simon told that he called me from Germany and said, listen to the TV. That is meant before the news come on.
Oh, that's so that's crazy. Okay.
So, a lot of people see me in Germany.
Oh, I'm gonna search for it later. Maybe I can find it somewhere online. Like cooking on the show, or what do you do on the show?
Yes, was cooking.
Cooking.
Making jerk chicken.
Okay.
Chocolate. All these things was doing. TV people in Germany.